Meaning of frequent.
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 Frequent. The word frequent is an adjective that describes something happening often or occurring repeatedly. This could refer to a particular event, activity, or behavior that happens with regularity. For example, someone might say that they frequent a particular restaurant, meaning that they visit it often. The word can also be used to describe a person who is often in a particular place or social setting. In general, the term frequent is used to convey a sense of frequency or repetition, suggesting that something occurs on a regular or common basis.